going to be for Grant Mara. If you want to see how this is done, you can see the speedometer is in right here, and then I'll show you the back. Now, I've looked at my notes and my other videos that I've shown to Grant, and I have this was 10 years ago that I did this. So what I did, I don't know why I have that there, but there's a reason for it. I had to cut out a big hole for the speedometer to fit, and then it has a V plate down in here, which I may show in a different. God, I forgot to put that bolt back up in there. Damn, or it fell out. Huh. Anyway, I put caulk in here to make it so that it would be just one unit and it wouldn't get water in there, and I'm a painter, so I caulk everything. So what I'm going to have to do is take, if you're going to do this, Grant, you pull this front cover off right here. You take out a screw down here, and I believe there's one right there. And this instrument cluster should drop out. But the first thing before you want to do that is you want to pull your front speedometer cable out of your bike. Don't lose that little screw. And like I said, with this setup, this is a little bit tight with your stock. Damn it. With your stock speedo, but it works. Well, I don't want to do that because if I take it off real quick, this whole thing's going to drop. So I'm going to have to take all the guts out of this. Now, I guess if I take all the guts out and do this, I'll make a complete video series and show you, Grant, how it was done. And at the time, they didn't have all these Koso and Toshiba and all these electronic, really cool head units. That's what this is. This is a head unit where you could check your gas, your temperature, your Netflix, see if you won a lottery, whatever. This is just your old school Fongier mechanical speedometer, and you can see the top right there and where it goes, where the speedo cable goes in there. It fits underneath the glass, and as soon as I take the guts off of here, I'll make some more videos and kind of show you more about it. But some of this is hard to do one-handed, and you can see I got a lot of dust in there and everything, and I have to take this brake cable off. I want to check it. I want to know why my rear wheel was sticking like that, and that could be a good thing and a bad thing. My bike was overheating, and it could be because the wheel was that way, but I got new wheels, so it's all good. Rap Chi.